Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video I am going to share how we can reuse old canvas for the new paintings. It is budget friendly, eco-friendly and a great way to keep creating without wasting materials. I am going to transform this old painting because it doesn't go well with our home interior. So let's start. To prepare homemade texture paste, add half cup of water in a container. Gradually add dry wall compound, also known as wall putty powder, into it. You can also use ceramic powder, marble powder or chalk powder. Mix properly to check the consistency of the paste and add more powder if needed. The paste should be of this consistency, it should not be too runny. Now I am going to add some glue into it. I am using Elmer's Cool Glue, but you can use whatever you have. You can also add acrylic paint if you want. I just tested on the canvas, it should cover the dark colors. The homemade texture paste is ready. Make sure you clean the surface of the old canvas using a damp cloth. If your old painting has thick textures or brush strokes, you can lightly sand it down with fine sandpaper to make the surface smoother. Now the fun part begins. Start applying the texture paste all over the canvas. Try to spread the texture paste as even as possible. As you can see in the video, the colors of the painting are so dark, but the texture paste is covering it so easily. This canvas is really in very good shape and it has broad frame which makes it sturdy and durable. I checked online, the price for this canvas was more than $100. So I think reusing is a wise choice. It not only saves money but also reduces waste. I don't know why, but whenever I reuse, recycle or upcycle, I always feel certain kind of joy and satisfaction from within. If you also feel the same, do let me know in the comment section below. Whole canvas is covered nicely, so now we will keep it for drying for at least 3 to 4 hours. Don't forget to cover the sides of the canvas. Once it is dried completely, use a fine sandpaper to sand it. Now the canvas is ready for the new painting. I created this goldfish painting, for which I have already shared the full tutorial in my another video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep reusing, because every small step counts.